Alright, hi guys. I am going to do another video for you. I'm going to try to keep my voice low because my daughter just got to sleep. She's been screaming her head off the last 20 minutes. So we're going to try to keep it that way. Alright, so for 6.3, the percent of a quantity just means that we're finding the straight percentage of any number. Of a quantity means of any number. So an example could be, what is 20% of 50? Or 25% of 65, or whatever. So it's just finding the straight percentage of a piece of a number. Okay, so if we are going to do, let's say we're going to do 15% of 60. Okay, and so that's the problem. And so a simple way of doing this is we take our quantity, 60, and we are going to multiply it by the decimal version of the percent. Oh no, I hear her crying. Keep quiet. We're going to turn this into a decimal, because remember, we're taking our decimal and we're moving it twice backward to the left, and here it is. And so we're going to take our quantity and we're going to multiply it by the decimal version of the percent that we're looking for. So we come over here and we're going to say 60 times 0.15, or 1500ths. So let's do our multiplication. 0, 30, 0, 0, 6. Okay, and so now we have 2 here, 1, 2, so 1, 2. Okay, so 15% of 60 is 9. So I want you to ask yourself, does that sound like a reasonable answer? 15% of 60 is 9? Well, if we think about it, 50% of 60 would be 30, and 15% is a lot smaller than 50%. And so you could continue to break it down in half and half and half, and then you'd find that, yeah, that makes sense, that 9 would be 15% of 60. Okay, so now let's do another one. Let's say 83% of 276. Okay, it's kind of a random number. So 83% of 276. Okay, so we could do the same procedure. 276 times, and then what's here? The decimal version. I'm just going to move my decimal twice to the left. And then we have 0.83. So I'm going to come over here. We have 276 times 0.83. Alright, so I'm going to do my math here. 18, 22, 6, 7, 8, 8, 4, 56, so 60, and 16 plus 6 is 22, and then that's just 0, so we don't need to rewrite that. 8, 9, 2, 2. So we have 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so 83%, coming up back here a little bit, 83% of 276 is 229.08. And a lot of times you are going to have a decimal in your answer, and that's perfectly fine. Okay, so here's your final answer right here.